guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ruth. I am Mrs. K, so you can call me whatever you want. I'm starting a brand new vlog. Today is a Friday. I'm actually with my two neighbors. I'm with my two neighbors. Today we're just gonna gallivant around Gibbs. I need to buy supplies. I have platters to make tomorrow for an event, so I need to buy that. And apparently we're going for breakfast. I don't know where. I don't know what else we're gonna do. Probably just run some errands. I left the kids at home. Riley's doing her hair, so they are with Sinatla. So yeah, let's go. Where is she? Another trip to Crazy Store with these kids on this beautiful Sunday. Oh my gosh, the way I'm so exhausted. I didn't even post the vlog this week. I forgot my ring at home. This is a lot going on. I'm so exhausted. Send help. Good morning, you guys. Today is a Saturday. I think I woke up an hour ago. It's currently like 7:30. I have a full day today. I have a client coming in at 9:30 to do her nails. Then I have to quickly grab a gift from Riley's friend. She's been invited to a birthday celebration. Go Upper Junction in Spur. So I have to take her there. But I want to do my laundry now and then take a bath before the client gets here. Ish. There's a lot because my laundry is a lot. My mom doesn't stay in Gibbs anymore, so she took her washing machine with. You guys know I used her washing machine a lot. And this client was initially supposed to come at 8, so I was gonna go to Mamzi's house after finishing her nails so that I can do the laundry. Then we can go to the mall, get a gift, and then attend the birthday celebration. But now that she's gonna come at 9:30, I kind of have to switch up my day, and I can't sit in the house and the washing machine takes quite a while. Like I would need at least 2 hours and 30 minutes to do the laundry, because I also want to wash like my fleece blankets. So I'm thinking now I can just wash the light clothes and then we'll see. If there's time after doing the client, then maybe I can go wash my fleece, hang them, and then go to Upper Junction. But yeah, that is my day for today. Let's do this laundry now. Bath, make something to eat quickly, and then attend the client. I did this hand yesterday. I did this one hand, my nails. That's what they look like. It's just milky white because I cut my nails really short. It's just this milky white, a little heart. I haven't started with my other hand. I'll do it later. I'll do it later. But yeah, let's go, guys.
I'm sorry, I'm not the way you paint the picture of me. I'm sorry you chose to stay. Big mistake, play the game. Should've never given it away. No, I didn't mean to. You get hurt it all. I appreciate the time with you. My heart is when I'm with you.
Guys, there's no electricity, so the ladies at the complex with said we must use the industrial stove. So this is us trying to boil water so we can have coffee as well as some eggs with bread. We'll be good.
I don't think we're compatible. It's just impossible. No, we all kind of selfish, baby. Please don't judge me. Please don't. I think I need to. I just need to go ahead and leave. Be lonely. Leave you where you're lonely. Leave you where you're lonely. Please don't.
Guys, literally content. I'm here telling the girls my vision. But yeah, we are by Airport Junction. We came to pick up Riley. Sadie brought her earlier. They said pickup is at 5 o'clock. But me knowing these kids, they're not gonna finish at 5. So it's 5:30. We're just gonna check how they're doing. They're in cappuccinos. If they're not done, I will go buy some veggies, fruits and veggies. I don't know if we'll check Spa, gonna check us, we'll see. So yeah, let's go.
Fall in love with me. You don't even know me. I leave you lonely. Found out who I am through you, and it turns out I ain't for you. We made them plans and I let them fall through. Didn't mean to cause all this damage. Is it my fault? Why'd you have to fall? I think I need to. I just need to go ahead and leave. Leave you where you're lonely. Leave you where you're lonely. Please don't fall in love with me. You don't even know me. I leave you lonely.
Why is it 25? What is the price for?
I'm sorry, I'm not the way you paint the picture of me. I'm sorry you chose to stay. Big mistake, play the game. Should've never given it away. No, I didn't mean to. You get hurt it all. Please don't judge me, please don't. I think I need to. I just need to go ahead and leave. Be lonely. Leave you while you're lonely. Leave you while you're lonely. Please don't fall in love with me. You're lonely. You don't even know me. I leave you lonely. Found out who I am through you, and it turns out I ain't for you. We made them plans and I let them fall through. Didn't mean to cause all this damage. Is it my fault? Why'd you have to fall? I think I need to. I just need to go ahead and leave. You're lonely. Leave you while you're lonely. Leave you while you're lonely.
Oh,
Please don't fall in love with me.
with the humanity. Happy Sunday. I hope there's not too much noise where you guys can't even hear me. I'm on my way to church actually. On a little marathon, so it's a bit hectic. But I think I might be like five minutes late. Oh my gosh. Hey. Guys, now the cops have to like control traffic because of the marathon, and I don't understand why, because it's not like there's traffic, you know, and it's not like they're passing here. Anyway, going to church, super excited. Riley went to church with her grandmother. After church, I wanna make lunch, late lunch. Yeah, I'm thinking of making pasta tuna with some grilled chicken and just a simple green salad. Yeah, I think that's what we'll do. So I definitely will take you guys with. I just need to get some tuna. I have pasta, I have chicken. I don't have tuna, I don't have mayo. So after church, I think we're just gonna need to buy those, and then I need to make some deposits. So I'll pass by Riverwalk because it's on the way from church. So yeah, I think I've passed the route. Okay, I'm lying. Oh, ciao. Anyways, I hope you guys are having a great day watching this vlog. I hope that your week has been amazing, because I'm gonna post this vlog on a Thursday. I miss my husband so much. I miss that man so much. Sunday and I'm going to getting road. You know, why? Guys, why did I take this route? Yard marathon. I thought I checked the route and I thought they were going another way. Oh my god. Oh, I don't know what time I'm gonna make it to church. Hey, because they keep stopping us on the road. Hey. Hi, bro. Anyways, this girl looks pretty. She's running with the tutu skirt. Hey, girl.
Everything to the feet of Jesus.
watching Tia Smith. I'm trying to make breakfast, so come along. We are about to go to Game City. We're gonna meet Senator there. She's in town. Yeah, I'm wearing this short dress from Fila with this orange cardigan because shops tend to be a bit cold. And then I'm just wearing my black and white Chuck Taylors. Then I'm just wearing my black and white Chuck Taylors. Miss Riley's just wearing a jean that's not ironed. Her pink Crocs and this top. It has tassels on it.
What are tassels?
Those things you're playing with now.
Where?
I don't know what to call it, but yeah.
Bye.
Bye. We'll catch you guys there. And then when we get back, we're gonna make burgers for dinner today. Then I'm gonna close this vlog. Yay.
That's it?
Yeah, I long started it like last week or the other week. I think last week, yeah. My mom is actually in town to visit, so that's why you guys might have seen me make dishes. Yesterday I cooked dinner for the entire yard. I'm saying the entire yard, but yeah. So I'll catch you guys.
You made like 10 plates of dinner.
There were actually 8 because Karos was also here. My uncle was here yesterday, so
Like
I dished for 8 people.
That's not a lot. Are you saying like the entire yard?
That's why I said it sounds like it's a lot of people, but it's honestly not a lot of people. Anyways, bye guys. We'll catch you guys in Game City.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe, to like this video, and share.
Hit the bell.
And hit the notification bell so that you get notified every time I post a video. Guys, subscribing is absolutely free. Literally, you won't get charged for subscribing to my channel. So please subscribe.
I was the first one to watch your last video.
Really? Oh, thank you. Let's go.
Bye.
Bye.
Come in.
Ah.
Who needs extra cheese when it's already cheesy?
We have come to the end of this vlog. You guys, if you did enjoy it, please don't forget to like, to leave me a comment in the comment section, and most importantly, please don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends. Guys, I have a very bad flu. But I promise I'm gonna drop another vlog next week. Bye. Thank you so much for watching.